All right, and so it's nighttime, and I have come to confirm that the lamps are lighting up. And there's only one that hasn't light up because it's still a little light out. But so let me show you guys what I mean. Oh, it actually just lit up. So we have all 6 of them lit up. So as you can see, that is the yard. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Welcome back to another episode. Today is going to be a different type of episode again. If you follow me, I have done some lighting on the house, lighting the car. But this time around, I had XM Cosy reach out to me and offer me to see if I can actually check out some lighting that they offer. And so they sent me this outdoor solar panels or lighting that goes on your yard. And I mean, my yard is pretty dark at night, and now approaching the holidays, I'm excited to put this up and see how it works. So let's open up the box and see what's inside and take it from there. This is a pretty nice box. It's a strong cardboard. It's not like that flimsy one, and it looks pretty nice. So let's open it up and see. So we have our instructions followed by some stakes. Really, these are the middle piece. So we have the stake, and this is the middle piece where the light goes into. And we have 6 of them. Let's continue to unbox it. It's protected by styrofoam. So I'm gonna try to pull it out. There we go. Ooh, that's really nice packaging. So you can see here we have the actual styrofoam wrapped, and ooh, wow, that's nice. And they're as you can see, they're like packed, double layered, I guess you can say. Where ooh, and this is heavy. This is not. I thought they were gonna be like plastic and look really like flimsy, but they are not. They're like really heavy. The frame itself, I think this is plastic. This is glass, but the top part is also metal, which is really good material. So I have to say this is probably plastic because it's where the light is, but it looks pretty nice. So I guess let's take one out. And let's take the stake, and then I guess this one. Oh, look, I didn't even realize. So the stake is upside down, so you don't hurt yourself. They put it upside down, and what you do is, I bet you just do this, and it goes on the ground, and you put this right here. Oh, that's pretty clever. And now this would be your whole light assembly. So let's put them outside and see how they look. But before we go and do that, I just realized there is a label there that says remove before use, which made me believe that this piece comes out, which is awesome. So you have an LED bulb right there. That is the one that lights up, and it has a battery that you have to remove these from the battery, and you see now it starts to light up when it doesn't detect any light. So the sensor up here is what detects, and it lights up. That's pretty cool. And also we have a wrapping paper right there where we need to remove so the solar panel is exposed. All right, now that I'm gonna do that times 6, and then we'll go outside to install it. So we are here outside, and I wanted to be able to at least secure them properly. It is windy, and one of the things that I used to have, so for purposes of illustration of purposes, I went to Home Depot a while ago, and I ended up buying these. They were like $4 each, which to me were like not the greatest, but I thought that it would be helpful. So these ones are an upgrade, and I want to see how they look. But so I want to secure them properly. So what I want to do is I want to put one right here. I'm thinking one here, a second one there, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one, just to illuminate the path, because the rest is just like grass, and maybe perhaps I can get a second set on that side to just mark, and lastly I'll get one for that side. But shout out to the Subi! Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna go for the 4th right there. That's that. Let's put another one right here. That should be enough. And then let's put the last one over there, like right here. And here we have that one and the last one. So the only thing left to do is let's wait until it's dark out. I'll come back. All right, and so it's nighttime, and I have come to confirm that the lamps are lighting up. And there's only one that hasn't light up because it's still a little light out. But so let me show you guys what I mean. Oh, it actually just lit up. So we have all 6 of them lit up. So as you can see, that is the yard. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is what they look when it's dark out. Right now, there's one light up there, and maybe the camera still picks up because it has the sensor, but I'm pretty content with how the light came up to be. It is looking really good. So I'm going to end up getting more for that side of the yard, and hopefully also that side of the yard. All right, so today's another day. So I had gotten the first box, and I just thought it was too little for my yard. So as you can see, I have a long yard, and also I have a front yard. And I didn't think it was going to be enough, but so as you can see, I installed this little ones over here, and I was able to see it in action. And somehow I still didn't think there were enough, so I want to put more on this side of the yard, perhaps another 6 to at least illuminate the front of the house. And then I'll worry about the front of the house rather. And then, but for now, what we're gonna use is we're gonna use our lovely drill again with the biggest drill bit that we can have, and we're gonna insert the other ones. Now, I did notice with these lights that the actual charge of it was lasting very little, and I was told by the company that I need to charge it for at least 8 hours beforehand. So I went ahead and did that, and I have that right here. And as you can see here, I left this charging for about 8 hours the whole day, and actually 2 days. I took out the battery and I left it overnight without the battery, and then I put it back again today with some sunlight. Keep in mind, it's November. There really isn't much sun in my side of the country, and so therefore, hopefully this one will work out. So that being said, let's get drilling. All right, so just to reiterate, this is your cylinder where the light goes on, and also your stake where that goes. So I made a hole. Now I'm gonna put this on the ground, and I'm gonna slam it a little bit to make sure that it goes in. Then we put this in here, and then we have that. Now this is already ready to go. I removed the plastic, and we're gonna install that. Just like that, we have our lovely light, and we're gonna continue fast forward. There you have it. That's all it took for me to install them. Now all we need to do is literally wait till it gets dark. So, I'll be right back. And so there you have it. It's finally outside, and you're able to see a lot of the light on your yard once they're on. So this is now April of the following year. I did not want to release this video because I figured that I wanted to give you guys the best feedback possible. At the moment, the lights were not really lighting up for that long. They were only lasting about 3 hours tops, but it was the winter time. So I wanted to wait until the springtime to see how much longer they would actually perform. So after my analysis, I realized that because there was not much exposure to sun over the winter time, there wasn't much light output in terms of hours. But I now have seen that, for instance, last night I came home really late. It was like around 12:30 in the morning, and the lights were still lighting up, which is pretty great. So obviously now that sunset is a little later, that we have a longer period of time. So I totally like them. Like they last, I mean, if sunset is around 7-ish now, and they lasted until 12:30 and they were still bright, then I want to say it's almost 5-6 hours now. So yeah, so just give you guys the update, and here you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.